Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Airtable to MySQL step by step clearly. To transfer data from Airtable to MySQL, start by exporting your Airtable data. Open your Airtable base and navigate to the table you want to export. Click on the View options at the top right corner of the table. Select Download CSV. The data will be downloaded as a CSV file to your computer. Next, open your MySQL database interface. Use a tool like MySQL Workbench or PHP-MyAdmin to access your database. Create a new database or select an existing one where you want to import the data. Right-click on the desired database and choose the option to create a new table. Define the structure of your new table according to the CSV file's contents. Ensure that all columns in MySQL match the fields in your Airtable data. After creating the table, open the import function in your MySQL interface. Select the option to import from a CSV file. Browse and locate the CSV file you downloaded from Airtable. Choose the appropriate settings for data formatting during the import process. Confirm that the import operation is set to add new rows. Click on the Import button to start the transfer. Monitor the process to ensure that all data is transferred correctly. Once the import completes, review the table in MySQL to verify the data. Make any necessary adjustments to the data types or structure. Your Airtable data is now successfully transferred to MySQL. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.